Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have Windows or SQL admin privileges and a recent backup, because resetting SAW affects logins and jobs. Open SSMS or prepare SQL CMD. Connect to the instance using an admin account. Once connected, check server authentication mode and whether SAW is enabled. This matters because changing the password won't help if mixed mode is off or SAW is disabled. Make the connection now and prepare to run a secure alter login command or equivalent, keeping an audit of changes. Now you execute the password change. In SSMS, open a new query window as a sysadmin and run alter login SAW with password equals your new strong pass1. With check policy equals on, if the account is locked, include unlock. If you prefer CLI, use SQL CMD and paste the same statement, then go. Make sure the new password meets Windows/SQL policy for complexity, otherwise the command will fail. Once the command succeeds, verify by querying sys. SQL logins for password and is disabled flags. Finish by testing. Disconnect and attempt SQL authentication with SAW and the new password. If login fails, review the SQL Server error log and Windows event log for reasons. Common issues are SAW disabled, account locked, or mixed mode disabled. If necessary, enable mixed mode in server properties or unlock SAW with alter login SAW with check policy equals OFF, then reapply a strong password. As a last resort, start in single user mode and reset the credential. Then re-enable normal multi-user operations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.